Emphatic stress. This section deals with questions and corresponding answers. Apparently, it is the most difficult part of the oral English test, but in reality, it is the easiest. There will be 3 different questions in each case, but the answer is always the same. The candidate would have to choose the one question that goes with the repeated answer. Rules of thumb. 1. The first rule is dubbed the missing emphatic word approach. It is a very simple technique. All you need to do is to listen carefully to identify the word that is stressed or emphasized in the repeated answer. The stressed or emphasized word would not appear in the question, which is the required answer to the question. Are you confused? Question, answer, question, answer. Let's repeat the statement. There are 3 questions. One of the questions is the answer we require. That question, which is the answer we require, does not contain the emphatic word. That is, the word that is stressed in the answer. 2. The second rule is to look for the question that contains the opposite or contrast of the stressed word. But it is not in all cases that the word stress has an opposite. Example, Friday ends the first rule. Example 1. Who borrowed your newspaper?
He borrowed my newspaper.
Did Atta borrow your newspaper?
He borrowed my newspaper.
Did he steal your newspaper?
He borrowed my newspaper.
The correct answer is C. Explanation. Using rule 1, borrowed does not appear in question C. Using rule 2, question C contains steal, which is the opposite of the stressed word borrowed. Example 2. What is the capital of Britain?
London is the capital of Britain.
Is London a city in Britain?
London is the capital of Britain.
What country is London the capital of?
London is the capital of Britain.
The correct answer is A. Explanation. Using rule 1, the stressed word London is not in question A. Rule 2 is not applicable since London has no opposite.